Hey, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be talking about how to ski down your first black diamond, a milestone for most beginner skiers. The most important thing about skiing on a black diamond and all slopes in general is learning how to control your speed. It is key to your and everyone else around you's safety that you are 100% confident in your ability to stop and slow down. If you can't slow down at a moment's notice or still pizza down the slopes, I recommend staying on the blues. Now that we're on the top of the black diamond, it may feel intimidating, but remember to relax, be confident in your skills, and know your limits. Most black diamonds are like blues and greens, just a little bit steeper with harder terrain. Before you drop in, remember to check that your boots are properly tightened and your skis are attached correctly. Now for the fun part. As you drop in, don't lock your knees or bend too forward, but stay in an athletic, balanced position. If you need to slow down, try using a sharp turn and digging your skis into your snow. When you need to turn, use controlled, smooth motion and think of it as drawing a curve with your skis. And remember, do not try to ski too fast. As you continue down the mountain, engage your edges into your turns and face the way you want to go as you lose your lower body to turn. And there you go, your first black diamond. It may feel like an intimidating challenge, but once you get the hang of it and build up your confidence, you should be skiing blacks in no time. Falling on your first time is okay. Just get back up using your poles and keep on skiing. To wrap up the video, remember to practice good posture, know your limits, and take it slow. Thank you for watching and happy skiing. Good luck.